Happy New Year! Welcome back. For those you don't know, you're watching HQ BMW. I hope you guys all had a fantastic New Year's. It is January 1st, 2019. I'm keeping with the vlogs just for you. Hopefully you guys appreciate that and will continue watching and supporting me along my journey. What did I accomplish for 2018? One of the number one goals I wanted to do for this F30 was to make it to Driven Calgary. I did it, I got there, and I just went with the intentions that I would be able to show the car in one of the major car shows in Calgary. I'll link the description below of where to the Driven website, but I made it into that show, and not only did I make it into that show, but I actually got Best in Class BMW. As you can see here, wasn't a goal of mine, but obviously the way that I presented the car was in favor with the judges, and they appreciate it as much as I built it. So we did that, we got in, we also did Driven Edmonton. We just enjoyed the day showing our cars. We then went to Red Deer for Eurostance, and I got to showcase the car there. That was a fantastic show put on by Euroyeg. Yeah, I hope they do it again this year, and we want to make it to more of their shows. At that show, I ended up getting top 20 at Eurostance as well. Not expected, but appreciated. And I never go to these shows to win anything. I build this car to show everybody what can be done to BMWs, how I want to build them, and it's been an incredible journey for 2018. The end of 2018, as you guys, if you've been watching for a while, you know I put the car on airlift suspension. That has been a dream of mine since Fast and Furious first came out. I was driving when that movie came out. I modified my Cavalier at the time, put graphics down the side, put underglow. I'll actually put a picture over here of what it looked like. And yeah, I was super proud of that. And so now I'm building another car the way I want to, and airlift suspension was hands down one of my major goals that I wanted to complete for this lifetime. 2019, January 1st, here we are. We're kicking it off. What are some of my goals for 2019? I want to get the car finished in time for Driven Calgary, which is on May 3rd and 4th. It's a 2-day event. They do a really cool intro drive-in session for the Friday night, and then the show is actually on Saturday. So that's a super good show. I hope to see some of you Calgary folks, maybe even Edmonton folks out there as well. And who knows where you guys are all going to come from. We have in store the Royal Rally in June and September. I plan on doing those. I'm actually doing all the graphics and livery for all the vehicles for the Royal Rally. So you'll see my car at those events. But the number one thing that I want to accomplish this year, and I will do my best to get there, is I want to be at Stance Wars in Seattle. It's my next goal. I can't say I'm going to get there, but I'm going to build the car, and hopefully that's enough and it's unique enough to get me into Stance Wars. If you guys been to Stance Wars or had a car in Stance Wars and you're watching this video, please comment below on what you guys did. Is there anything I can do to, just help me get there and achieve 2019's goal. That's for the car this year. Now, personally, I ordered a new camera for vlogging. Hopefully it comes soon and I can start using that camera. Right now I am using a GoPro Hero 5. I got a microphone for it, so hopefully it will cut down on some background noise, some wind noise when we're outside. And the last thing that I want to do for the vlog specifically is get new lighting for the garage. The videos, I think, would be better if the lighting was brighter, and I might even possibly paint the walls white and get the garage all finished, just to make the content that much better for you guys. 2018 in the past, 2019 moving forward. Here we go. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the adventure. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Have a fantastic New Year's. Peace.